Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In this page, you can go to apps and you can search about Messenger app. You will search about it here in this page. Sorry, we'll try again to find it here. We go to this sign and you can search about Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage and here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget